Hello, good morning and welcome. It's Monday, it's the 5th of June, and we'll just go through some of the charts. Just like to say thanks for the likes and subscriptions, much appreciated. And we'll start as ever with the AUD USD. On the commitment of traders, we remained about the same. We did actually lose some of the long positions. We have made a couple of nice candles up. This still isn't breaking any records, but I've actually lowered my expectations down to 65, 380. So if we get up to these recent highs, then I think I might re-enter short. Thank you. Euro USD. We have actually gapped a little bit short this morning, just dropped down there, and we got a little bit of a red candle. I am expecting the euro to short, so basically we're at a bearish extreme for the euro as far as I'm concerned. I want to come down and close this gap. Euro JPY, same story. I got knocked out of my nice big trade at the top here. I put my stop loss a little bit too low. I could have put it higher, but you just never know with these things. I haven't re-entered. We're about at the blue line where I got knocked out, so we'll just wait and see how this goes. Euro and New Zealand dollar, same story. I took profit on this at the blue line. I was just uncertain about the New Zealand dollar. I think it might just pop back up a bit and I'll get back in short. If it doesn't, it's no great loss. We've got a nice setup coming up on the pound Australian dollar. We've had two nice big red candles there. So I did want it to get down to here, down to the blue line, which is 1.68. It didn't do it the first time. It's coming down again. We'll see how it goes. If I get a nice position to enter, I will. S&P 500. Yes, we've actually broken the line here, which was diversion between this and the on the weekly chart. The diversion between the RSI and the actual candle chart. This isn't anything unusual. It often does this, and even the euro might do it before it goes down. It just pops up, shakes off a few of the shorts that it's got with close stops, and then promptly shoots back down. We're about at entry at the moment. Not at entry. We're about, well, entry for the week. So that's about where it started. My candle has just turned bright green, so that's where we came in today. Moving on quickly. Pound New Zealand dollar. This is a new trade that I took late last week. We are about at entry. I'm expecting the New Zealand dollar to short and the pound to long. This is just a small trade I've taken. We've had this steep fall here in the pound, a bit of a rise in the New Zealand dollar. This line here, which is about just below 179, well, it's at 1.79541, which I look at as support. The next really heavy support is down here at 177, so that's like 150 pips further. But I think there is a fair chance that we could actually long from here, but this is just a small position I've taken. USD, Japanese yen. Right, we've had a fall in this. We've actually got profit on our top trade here. We've seen a bit of weakness in the dollar this morning. It's come down about 50 pips on the DXY. But whatever. There is a lot of support. If it goes down another 50 pips, that is big support. So I'm not expecting much more shorts on the dollar, which has, of course, affected my USD Mexican peso. So that's had a fall this morning. Very disappointed with that. We did have a lot of longs that left, which gave us a 2-to-1 short on the against the dollar. So we were expecting the peso to short. We will see what happens, but a bit disappointed with that this morning. USD CAD. I'm long this, and obviously we've had Friday and today we've had red candles. Yeah, I am expecting it to long. There's the oil price is dropping. The silver has actually gone up. I'm looking to short that again. I've got knocked out around about here. I'm looking to get back in short. I'm going to leave it 2 or 3 days though, just see where it's going. It might just pop up a little bit more. Oil, we've had 3-4 nice red candles, and we've got a green candle this morning. The RSI's come up to look at the trend line. I'm expecting this to continue down, but if the dollar drops, then oil goes up. So it's not really surprising what has actually happened there. We've got quite a bit of stiff resistance above it, so hopefully I won't get knocked out of that one. But smashing that. Thank you very much for watching, and all the people that watch the Commitment of Traders report on Saturday. Thank you. I did another short video on the Canadian dollar to follow up my opinion there. So just thank you all for your support. Cheers.